to do resetting for everything, we pull out the battery, we press the reset button, and we put in the battery, and we wait.
Initializing. Please hold on.
We hold until they say successful.
Initialization is successful.
Okay, now everything go back to the factory setting. We can start all over again. First step, we set the admin 1.
Please input admin information.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Successful setting. Add user press 1. Delete user press 2. System setting press 3.
We add user.
Add admin user press 1. Add normal user press 2.
We add admin user.
Please input user number.
User number 001.
Add fingerprint press 1.
We
Add
add,
card press 2. Add password press 3.
we add
Please input fingerprint.
finger press.
Please take away the finger and input again.
Take away,
Please take away the finger and input again.
take away,
Please take away the finger and input again.
take away.
Successful setting. Please input user number.
Successful number. Now we set 002.
Add fingerprint press 1. Add card press 2. Add password press 3.
We add password.
Please input new password. Please input again.
1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4.
Please input user number.
We add user number 2.
002. Add fingerprint press 1. Add card press 2.
We
Add
add
password press
smart
3.
card now. Press 2.
Please read card.
So we are using a card. This is a smart card. Thumbprint here.
Successful setting. 5.
Now we are trying to open the gate. Just now the first user.
Log is opened.
Successful.
Log is locked.
We set second password.
Log is opened. Log is locked.
Successful. We were trying to use the smart card.
Log is opened. Log is locked.
Trying to use the thumbprint.
Log is opened. Log is locked.
Okay, all function good.